Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add website to Google Search Console. So the first step, you simply need to log in into your website and then you need to search on Google Search Console and open the first website. Okay, and then you need to click on Start Now. So once you are on that page, you simply need to select this one, URL prefix. Okay, and here you need to add your website URL. So let me select my website URL, click on copy, and you need to paste that here. Click on continue. Okay, and then you need to click on HTML tag, and here is the code that you need to copy. Then you need to open a website, click on plugins and click on add new, and here you need to search for the plugin insert header. So let me search. Okay, and then you need to click on install now and activate this plugin. Okay, so now this plugin is activated, and now you need to click on code snippets and click on header and footer, and here you can see header and body. You simply need to copy that code and paste that code in header and click on save changes. Okay, then you need to go back and verify, and this may take a few minutes. Okay, so now you can see that ownership verified, and go to property, and now you can see that your website is added in Google Search Console. So this is a process how to add website to Google Search Console. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.